Chiropractic adjustments can be effective for short term relief, but joint manipulation, independent of the other should do recommendations, does not appear to be a viable treatment strategy for long term results. Cracking backs, massaging muscles, releasing fascia, lasering joints, and all the other passive therapies can be great options if you're trying to take the edge off of pain while you're working through a recovery strategy. However, these options are best used as adjunct therapies within a more comprehensive treatment plan. You need someone to help you uncover a unique plan that doesn't require you to be 100% dependent on a healthcare provider, like a chiropractor, once a month for the rest of your life.